Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for an Australian tourist visa and what you need to prepare before you submit. So this is helpful because if you choose the right visa stream and upload the right documents, your application is smoother and you avoid delays. Before we start, make sure to follow our Australian visa and immigration group on Facebook. We post regular updates and you can also learn from other people's experience. Now let's get into it. So step 1 is choosing the right visa type. So most people apply for the visitor visa Subclass 600. It has different streams like tourist, sponsored family, and business visitors. So Subclass 600 is flexible and can allow stays of 3, 6, or 12 months, depending on your situation. So just remember, it doesn't allow you to work. And step 2 is to create an ImmiAccount on the Department of Home Affairs website. So this is where you apply, upload documents, and track your visa. And step 3 is to gather your documents. You'll usually need your passport proof of funds like bank statements or pay slips, your travel plan, proof of work, or a letter from your employer, and a passport photo. It also helps to include proof of ties to your home country to show you will return after your trip. Health insurance is optional but recommended. If any document isn't in English, you'll need a certified translation. And step 4 is to complete the online application in ImmiAccount. Choose Tourist Visa Subclass 600, enter your details, your travel plans, and how you'll support yourself financially. Answer the health and character questions honestly. And step 5 is to upload your documents and make sure that everything is clear and readable. Then double check your answers before submitting. And step 6 is to pay the visa fee online and keep the receipt. Step 7 is to wait for the decision. So processing times can vary, so keep checking your ImmiAccount and your email. If it's approved, you'll get a visa grant notice with your visa number, conditions, and validity. Save it on your phone or print it because you may need it when you travel. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more step-by-step guides on Australian visas and immigration. See you on the next one.